So if I make a XY plane like this, and suppose it is coming from here, it will enter into this like this, and then it will come like this. And this is the region of the magnetic field. It is given that X greater than the 0 will be the region of the magnetic field in this direction. Okay. Now from here magnetic flux will start increasing, and L is along X. So this is L and this thickness is H. So when it will enter, suppose X is entering into it, so magnetic flux will be B into X into H, and change in magnetic flux will be BH dot. So this is given, X dot is given, it will become BHV. So that means H will be multiplier to the EMF. I am calculating the magnitude of the EMF. So that is the multiplier. So that will generate the largest EMF when H is greatest. So H is equal to 6. It will create the largest EMF. All right. ठीक है.